Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making tombrown weight gain meal for babies. So we'll be measuring out 2 cups of corn, 2 cups of guinea corn, 2 cups of millet, 2 cups of tiger nuts, 2 cups of soya beans, and like 5 to 6 dried plantain, and 1 cup of groundnut. Here I'm just showing you all the data I picked out of it. You know, it's baby food, so we have to pick it out so that it can be clean. Then we'll wash it out, wash them. After we wash them, we'll dry them up. This is soya bean. Soya bean takes time to wash it because you have to soak it for like 3 hours and then rub it together to be able to remove the peel. That's the back of the soya beans. It takes time, but yeah, you just have to do it. When peeling out the back of soya beans, you really don't need to get all the back out, but if you want to, how I did mine, because I wanted to get all the peels out, I had to drain out the water, then now put it in the tray. Then I picked out all the back because I actually wanted because I'm making it for my baby, so I wanted it to be very good. So after drying it up, we'll go ahead to now toast it, slightly toast it. So we'll be toasting this until we start hearing the pop sound like you're making popcorn. So we'll know that yeah, it's ready. We'll toast the corn. Yeah, you can hear that sound, right? That's how you know that it's ready. Then toast the dates, then the millet, then the soya beans. You have to the soya beans to get golden brown. Then tiger nut, guinea corn. My groundnut is already toasted, so they don't need to do that. So I just headed up to blend it, and this is what I have. So smooth, and this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. It's really go a long way for me. Please, thank you so much.